Hey guys, it's Anna Banana. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be cooking chicken sarciado for dinner. It's a very quick meal because we are going to be using Costco's leftovers. Let's go start with what I'm going to be using. We have garlic, onions, celery, button mushroom. We've got chickpeas or garbanzos, frozen peas. We've got chopped potatoes. Of course, we have the Costco chicken, and we're using diced tomatoes for sauce. Now for seasoning, we are going to be using pepper, Italian seasoning. We've got paprika and patis. I said, that's it. We're going to be cooking it on my 5-quart wok, my favorite cookware. It does the job well. And by the way, we are not using cooking oil. So we're gonna start with the onions. As you can see, no oil on the pan, and we're just gonna let it saute a bit. Now that the onions are slightly caramelized, that's perfectly fine. It's all gonna cook once we cover the lid. And then we've got minced garlic. Ooh, listen to the sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. What's nice about cooking with Saladmaster is you just dump everything. Easy peasy. Alright, so now I am going to put 1.5 cans of diced tomatoes. You can use tomato sauce. Next, we're going to put the potatoes. It's going to take about 5 to 6 minutes to cook this because the triple layer steel that this cookware is made of is what expedites the cooking. As I always tell you, Anna cooks fast and furious. Okay, there's your potato. And then I am going to put my paprika, my black pepper, my Italian seasoning. And then I'm just going to mix that just a quick bit. Look at that goodness. And then I'm going to put my patis, fish sauce for you guys. You know what? Because I'm going to spare myself the time. I'm going to dump the celery. And for good measure, let's put in the chickpeas. And let's throw in the frozen peas. Great. Look at the colors. Look at the vegetables. Our body needs fiber. And then I'm going to throw my button mushroom. That's it. I am not putting water because we are going to extract all the liquids from this one. So we're going to keep the nutrients. So that being said, I'm going to get my lid. Oopsies. We're going to spin that. Because once it starts boiling, the steam goes up, goes down, and seals the pan. And that's what makes it fast. So we'll see you in a bit when I complete the meal with the chicken. I'm back at the kitchen.
Back at cooking with Anna.
And the real Anna is back. Okay, so look at this. Just like that. Fast and furious. Look at how pretty the colors. When you're cooking with Saladmaster, colors stay vibrant. Nom nom nom. This is really good. I am going to put Costco's rotisserie chicken. The chicken that never dies in the kitchen. It'll be about 5 minutes and then this dinner is done. And I'm back with my imposter. This is Joaquin, my son, and he is going to be tasting dinner that was cooked by Mom. And that's it for tonight's Fast and Furious dinner. Call it chicken sarciado. It is so good. I hope you guys had fun. Watch out for the next video. Bye!
Bye guys.